Home Remedies presents Teeth Whitening at Home in 1 minute. How to whiten your yellow teeth naturally. 100% effective. Yellowing teeth is not necessarily a sign of bad oral hygiene. Many people even suffer from self-esteem issues because of the color of their teeth. However, you don't have to break the bank to whiten your teeth. You can make your teeth whiter by using some effective ingredients that may be lying around your house. And these might not even take that long. Lime and lemon contain citric acid, which is an effective bleaching agent. To use, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon. Add a small amount of toothpaste you use. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Now use your toothbrush to brush your teeth with the mixture. Let the mixture sit for a minute before washing it off. Rinse your mouth thoroughly. Do not leave it longer than that, as it will affect the enamel of your teeth. This mixture will kill bacteria, remove plaque, and prevent cavities. Do this twice a week in the first week, and when you are happy with the results, you can use it once a week. Excessive usage of the baking soda and lemon juice is not good for the enamel. If you use this remedy, you should take precautions as well, which is limit the usage. Do try it and share with everyone. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.